Replacing the door to your home is an exciting step toward enhancing both its appearance and security. In West Valley City, homeowners often seek door replacements for reasons like improving curb appeal, upgrading energy efficiency, or simply replacing worn-out doors. But before you begin, it's essential to understand what to expect during the process, so you're fully prepared for a smooth and successful project. Initial consultation and estimation. The first step in any door replacement project is the initial consultation. Whether you choose a local contractor or a national company, they will send a representative to your home to assess your needs. Expect them to take measurements, discuss your desired style and material options, and provide a detailed estimate. You'll also be able to talk about your budget, color preferences, and any security features you want in your new door. This meeting is a great opportunity to ask questions and delve into the specifics of what you envision for your home. From classic wooden doors to modern fiberglass options, there are various choices to match your home's aesthetic. The contractor will guide you through each option, helping you make an informed decision that fits your vision and budget. Choosing the right door. In West Valley City, the climate plays an important role in selecting the right door material. Consider energy-efficient options that provide better insulation against heat and cold, reducing your energy bills. Many homeowners choose fiberglass, steel, or wood doors, each offering different benefits in terms of durability, security, and aesthetics. The contractor will help you explore the ultimate option based on your needs. You may also choose additional features like double glazing for windows, weather stripping, or enhanced locks for added security. This stage may take a little time as you finalize your choice, but it's essential to ensure your new door meets all your practical and stylistic needs. Scheduling and preparing for installation. Once you've selected your door and finalized the agreement, the contractor will schedule a date for installation. The preparation phase involves clearing the area around your front or back entryway, which may include removing any furniture, rugs, or decor that could be in the way. The contractor may also need access to both the interior and exterior of your home to complete the installation. You might also want to make temporary arrangements for your daily routines, especially if the installation affects the primary entry to your home. Installation times can vary depending on the complexity of the project, so your contractor will provide an estimated timeline. Installation day. On the day of installation, the contractor and their team will arrive with all the necessary tools and materials. Expect some disruption during the process, including noise, dust, and the temporary removal of your old door. The team will carefully remove the old door and frame, making sure to check for any underlying issues, such as water damage or misalignment, which might need to be addressed before installing the new door. Once the old door is removed, the new door will be placed and secured. If there are any adjustments to be made, such as trimming the door or adjusting the frame, this will happen at this stage. The team will also ensure that the door is properly sealed, ensuring energy efficiency and security. Post-installation inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, The contractor will inspect the door to ensure it functions properly. They'll check for smooth operation, proper alignment, and verify that weather stripping is in place. Any final adjustments will be made, and you'll be shown how to operate your new door, especially if it includes advanced features like locking mechanisms or smart technology. Cleanup is also an important part of the process. The team will remove any debris from the installation, leaving your home as clean as they found it. You'll want to check the door one last time to ensure everything meets your expectations. Final thought: a door replacement project can take a few hours to a full day, depending on the complexity and customization. Once completed, you'll enjoy the beauty, security, and energy efficiency of your new door for many years. Whether you're replacing a front entry door or sliding patio door, the process in West Valley City is relatively straightforward, but understanding what to expect can help you plan ahead for a successful outcome. Be sure to choose a reputable contractor who can guide you through each step and ensure your new door meets your ultimate expectations. With proper preparation and a skilled team, your door replacement project will be a rewarding experience, enhancing your home's value and functionality.